All right, so today we're going to look at direct variation, correlation coefficients, and association versus causation. I know I'm not here, but you are still required to do all the work, submit it online, the warm-up, and have everything turned in, okay? That's still required. If you see somebody not doing the work, tell them to do it. If somebody say, my tablet's not working, remind them that it's their responsibility to make sure it's working. Okay, so let's look at number 1. So direct variation, we never really went over, but I'm confident that you're going to get it really quickly. So direct variation says, if y varies directly with x, that means if they move at the same rate. That's what that means. If y equals 12 when x is 15, what is the value of x when y is 16? So it's just a proportion. So we're going to put x on top and y here. It doesn't matter which way you do it. So it says when y is 12, x is 15. So it wants to know what's the value of x when y is 16. So how you're going to do it, you multiply these two and divide by this one. So 15 times 16. Okay, and then divide by 12. The answer is 20. All right. So now let's go down to number 4. Number 4 says the height of water in a bucket varies directly with the number of seconds that the faucet has been on. So we have height and seconds. Okay. After 9 seconds, the water is 4 inches high. How many seconds will it take for the water to be 15 inches high? Okay, so you multiply these two, divide by this one. So 9 times 15, and then divide it by 4. So 33.75 seconds. So positive 33.75. 33.75. Okay? All right, let's move on to number 6. Number 6 says, if y varies proportionally to x, so we have y and we have x, and y is 6 when x is 14, which equation represents this? Okay, so we're trying to figure out which equation represents this. So what I would do is, we know x is 14, so everywhere there's an x, make that 14. And see if we come up with y, which is supposed to be 6. Okay, so we have 7 over 3 times 14. Does that get us what we're looking for is 6? No, it does not. So that's not it. Try the next one. We have 14 minus 8. 6, so that one worked. We're going to test the rest of them. So we have 2 times 14 plus 2. Did that get us 6? No, it did not. Now we have 3 over 7 times 14. Did that get us 6? Yes, it did. So 2 of those answers got us 6. But here's the thing. Say x is 15. This isn't going to be proportional, okay? This isn't always going to work for every single number to get you the proportions. This one will always get you the proportion right. So when in doubt, go with the one that's multiplying, not the one that's adding. Okay, so the answer here is J. Okay, so now we're going to flip over to the other side because you can get this side on your own from this point. Okay, so correlation coefficients. You need to find 3 things for A, B, and C. You need to tell me what is R. You need to tell me is it strong or weak. And is it negative or positive? That's what you're telling me for all of them. So let's find R. Take out your calculator. Now, if we need to find R, what step do we need to do to find R? It won't come up unless we do second 0. You got to go to catalog, and then we find diagnostic on. So if you hit D, it'll go to D's. We're looking for diagnostic on. Enter. Okay. You have to do it in order to get R. So now go to stat, and we're going to type in this table. So we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 8, We have 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 10. Stat, over to calc. 4, because it's linear. Alright, so R is 0.96. I want it to 2 decimal places. 0.96. 2 decimal places. Okay, 0.96. Now, is 0.96, is that strong or weak? Remember, the closer we get to 1, the stronger it is, so it's strong. The farthest away you get from 1, the less. Okay, is it negative or positive? This was positive. Okay, so that's what you're going to do for these 3. Now, I'm not going to give you any of the answers to this bottom section because I think you can handle it on your own. So does the following statement show association or causation? What you're asking is, does one thing actually cause the other, or are they just associated? Okay? So read through it, see, think about it. Does one thing actually cause the other thing, or are they just something that are a coincidence? Okay? Be sure to submit all your answers online. This worksheet is due by the end of class today. You are not taking it home. You need to work on it. If I get a bad review from the sub, I will write you up. I'm going to choose the sub over you. That's just how it goes. Treat them better than you would treat me. When you're finished with this and submitting it online, be sure to get your STAR test and do your STAR test corrections because that is the warm-up you are going to have on Monday. So be sure to get that done. All right. Good luck, guys.